Hi there, Leigh Farnell here from Everyday Empowerment Institute. You know, this is a crazy time we're living in. Here it is, the headline of the paper, Recession, the recession we had to announce. Folks, if ever there was a time, it was time to, as a chief exec, business owner, to drill down and look at ways to improve the business, to optimize growth, optimize profitability, to use every skill and strategy that you can get your hands on to make the most, to survive and move on. Now is the time. I mean, what we've known through history is when companies use great strategies in times of recession, they come out stronger. Now is the time to find ways to attack, to be smarter. As the saying goes, if you use the right strategy, you'll get the right result. And then literally, I'm about to go to a meeting to present a range of strategies. We talk about a hierarchy of strategies. Now, what do we mean by strategy? Well, if our goal and our vision is what we want to do, the strategy is how do we apply our resources to make it happen. We've got a whole range of tools. We call it a hierarchy of strategies. There's the strategy, there's the marketing strategy, there's the lead generation strategies, there's the customer experience strategy, there's the branding strategy, there's the sales and leadership strategies. We have 40 years of experience where we've worked with everyone from Telstra Australia to Mobitel Sri Lanka to McDonald's to Cash Converters to British Standards Institute. We have learnt every time we work with those organisations what needs to be done to not only develop the strategy but implement it to get great results. 40 years of experience that we can work and help you. So what's the first step? Well, first step might be, hey Leigh, give me a call. Hey Leigh, let's have a Zoom conference and talk about where we're at right now and what you think we can do to take things to the next level. We've actually got a strategy we call the MEND strategy. Start with the maths of the end in mind and then reverse engineering. Want to find out more about that, then touch base. I'm happy to spend time with chief execs, business owners who are keen for growth, profitability, optimizing performance. Use the right strategy, get the right results. Let's work together, help you with everyday empowerment systems. See you soon.